Over the past few years, we've seen data science has been worth its weight in gold in terms of what it can deliver and the insights it can generate. I think one of the biggest challenges that data scientists face is the actual management of clean, accessible data, especially over the last few years with the high volumes, the sort of lack of cleansing of data, cleansed data that's available, the various sparse systems trying to merge all our data together, and also the scaling and productionisation challenges that rise around that are really the biggest challenges for data scientists this year. The big win will be for 2021 is to minimise that time spent on data wrangling. The reason why the management of data is so important is that we need to be able to access data effectively and quickly, especially when we're trying to meet ever-changing demands of businesses. And if you look at where the majority of the time is spent for data scientists, which is primarily data wrangling, we want to try and minimise that effort. To be able to do that, we need to consider things like data quality. How do we automate that process of cleansing data, making it more accessible, identifying straight away those outliers and rectifying those outliers. Master data management, MDM. We can think about things like, and the term that's being used quite often recently is databases as a service. Is that quick, straight away, easy to use data that's all being managed without the need of a human to physically do it. And if you look at what data science does, it obviously creates new insights using very clever analytics, and it makes sense to move into a place where we talk about processing of data in that same fashion. But it's using the same statistical methods in a way to benefit not only data scientists, but also other analysts across the business, meaning that the majority of the time is spent generating new insights and analysing the data rather than the wrangling of data. I think the thing for me, and the main thing that I've noticed in 2020 is the want of all of us to reconnect and be able to travel, to talk to one another and socialise again. And for me, that's one of the big things I really want to try and focus in on as soon as we can in 2021, to be able to actually see the people, my friends, my family, but also be able to travel again. I love traveling and I want to go and explore as much of the world as possible in 2021 because of the lack of being able to do that in the previous year.